All right, I need a good phone number from you, sir.
586-301-9145.
All right, I'm gonna give you a pretrial date. And that date is set just to make sure that you get that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney hasn't gotten in touch with you by the pretrial date, I'm gonna get one appointed to you on the spot. I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season. Come back on January 20th. Best of luck to you. You have that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, have a great day, Mr. Gunto.
Yep.
This is the city of Gonzalez, case numbers SP 1809367, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1378975 Appearing for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gonzalez.
Eduardo Marcos Gonzalez.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial with that one SP 13 case as in warrant status, counselor.
Well, there are two cases on the docket.
It's one in warrant status. It is a illegal dumping case. For purposes of arraignment on that,
We'd waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
and we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. On that case, we'll recall the warrant. I will find Mr. Gonzalez, if he pleads guilty or is found guilty of this illegal dumping, I will fine him $500, the maximum amount. Mr. Gonzalez, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Where's that expense?
Yeah, that pen, pen maker right there, he was having some times waiting till he come back in.
No, well, he's not coming back. That guy is gone. You couldn't get the.
He couldn't go out.
Yeah, he was, I gave him both of them, the Spanish and the American. He was fluent in Spanish, so he took that. Yeah, so I was like, all right, just go.
So is the pen working?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I guess.
So why couldn't he fill it out?
I'm not sure, sir.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Ariel Grove. Ms. Grove, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Yeah, we are requesting a trial date.
Do Ms. Grove?
Yes.
All right, trial will be January 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you a safe, happy holiday season. And I wish you the best of luck. See you back in the new year.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Judge.
This is one more translator case. This is not on the docket, but this is Alexis Javier Roncia Bolvar, case number SP 18408461. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Alexis Javier Bárcenas Bolívar. Número de caso SP 184-08461. Abra su micrófono, señor, por favor, para.
Buenos días, señoría.
Harris.
Buenos días, good morning, Your
Sheriff
Honor.
Harris.
Mi nombre es Charika Harris. presentando al acusado.
Right, let's call the date and time set for arraignment.
Este es el día y la hora agendado para la lectura de cargos. A propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. This is an improper, plate ticket.
Está bien, yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en el nombre de su cliente y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Y este ticket, esta infracción es por tener placas inapropiadas.
Mr. Rivera, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor Bárcenas, lo voy a enviar a una sala de consulta privada donde va a hablar con su abogada, el intérprete. Su abogada le va a conseguir una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía, la cual, si usted no está de acuerdo con ella, entonces puede ir a un juicio. Siempre tiene el derecho, recuerde que siempre tiene el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada, breakout room, cuando encuentre la... Toque su pantalla. Ok. Thank you.
Are we ready on Mr.
We're ready on Grayson. It's gonna be a no contest.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Grayson. Mr. Grayson, you're not gonna contest the fact that these officers, when they allege to pull you over on that date and time and ask for the necessary documents, are you?
Say it again?
You're not gonna contest that these officers actually pulled you over on those said date and times?
No.
All right. Will you stipulate to the faces of the ticket as an active factual basis for those no contest pleas on your clients?
Yes.
Will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes.
Okay, so here's the deal. I'll take the failure to display under a no contest plea. I'll do an expired plate. I'll find them responsible as charged to the expired plate. And then I will take, so that's 1, 2. Then I'll take this other no insurance, driving license expired under allowing. So that would be the 3 allowings and 1, well, it works out to be 4 misdemeanors. There's be 1 improper plate and 2 allowings, which are gonna have the same effect. They'll have the same fine and they'll be dismissed upon payment. Both of those, neither of those abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore they don't carry any points. And then 1 failure to display, which does abstract to the Secretary of State, but it doesn't carry any points. And the as charged responsible plea. All right, and with those other matters being dismissed, that we call into the record. So as for purposes of sentencing, you owe money that you've never paid, plenty of money. I'll fine them $145 for the expired plate. And right, I won't fine them for the expired plate. I'll fine them for 2 of the misdemeanors, $240 apiece. And I won't fine them for the rest.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna set the matter for review on January 23rd 2026. I'm marking the file, allow payment plan. So do one of two things, sir. Either pay it at any DebDAT kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DebDAT app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or come on down to the courthouse on or before January 23rd and get into a payment plan. If you don't have anything further, sir, your next court date is January 23rd for review at 8:25. I wish you a safe and happy holiday season. And I wish you the best of luck.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor. And thank you for your kind words earlier. I think you're a great judge.
I appreciate you, Mr. Overstreet. I appreciate all the work you do, and you're always here the first thing in the morning, and that does not go unrecognized. I really appreciate it. All right, have a great holiday, Mr. Overstreet. Best of luck to you.
You're the same.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Eduardo Gonzalez. Mr. Eduardo Gonzalez, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to the dumping charge on the basis of a 12-month delayed sentence and the dismissal of the remaining two matters.
You want to take the deal, sir? I need 12 months.
Yeah.
Make sure.
Yeah, that's what they should be. No, I'm not. I don't want this. Money's got to come by in a month, sir. It's not going to come out over the 12-month period. You understand that?
You said a month?
A month.
Okay.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yep.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Overstreet, Mr. Berry went over the other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yeah.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Mm-hmm.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 14th, 2022, at around 5:30 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Christianity in McKin Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yeah.
And what did you do?
Dump basically dump out trash from my
Trash, right?
yeah, it was from my boy's van. He needed help. I gave him a hand, but again, I didn't know I was in the wrong the whole time. He got a ticket for that. We all got a ticket for that. I think we all got involved with that little illegal dumping that day.
This transcript is from a Detroit court proceeding where multiple defendants appear on traffic and misdemeanor-related cases involving issues like illegal dumping, blocking traffic, suspended licenses, expired plates, and no insurance. The judge moves through each case methodically, offering plea deals, pretrial dates, community service options, fines, and occasionally setting matters for trial when defendants request it. Several defendants are placed in breakout rooms with attorneys or prosecutors to negotiate updated offers, while others accept responsibility through no contest or guilty pleas in exchange for reduced penalties or dismissed charges. One notable case involves Eduardo Marcos Gonzalez, who is accused of illegal dumping. After initially being offered a plea deal, including a delayed sentence and dismissal of other charges, he ultimately discusses the incident, explaining he was helping unload trash from a van without fully understanding the legal consequences. Throughout the session, the judge emphasizes rights such as the right to trial, ensures interpreter access when needed, and imposes penalties ranging from fines and payment plans to community service, while maintaining a structured procedural flow across all cases.